Sure. Here are the top 20 facts about Uranus. 1. Distant ice giant. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest in our solar system. It is classified as an ice giant due to its composition of water, ammonia, and methane ices. 2. Unique tilt. Uranus has a very unusual axial tilt of about 98 degrees, which means it appears to roll on its side as it orbits the Sun. This extreme tilt is responsible for its unique rotational characteristics. 3. Extreme seasons. Because of its extreme axial tilt, Uranus experiences incredibly long and extreme seasons. Each pole faces either constant sunlight or darkness for about 42 Earth years. 4. The discovery. Uranus was discovered by German-born British astronomer Sir William Herschel on March 13, 1781. It was the first planet to be discovered with a telescope. 5. Moons. Uranus has 27 known moons, and they are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The largest moons are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. 6. Gethin rings. Uranus has a system of 13 rings, which are relatively thin compared to Saturn's prominent rings. They were discovered in 1977 by astronomers using the occultation method. 7. Faint appearance. Uranus is barely visible to the naked eye and appears as a tiny blue-green dot in the night sky. It was long considered a star until Herschel identified it as a planet. 8. Atmosphere. The atmosphere of Uranus is composed mostly of hydrogen, around 83, and helium, around 15, with small amounts of methane, about 2. 9. Methane absorption. Methane in Uranus's upper atmosphere absorbs red light, giving it a distinct blue-green color. This unique feature sets Uranus apart from the other gas giants in our solar system. 10. Cold temperatures. Uranus is one of the coldest planets in our solar system, with temperatures dropping as low as 224 degrees Celsius, 371 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. Voyager 2 flyby. The only spacecraft to have visited Uranus is NASA's Voyager 2. It flew by the planet on January 24, 1986, providing valuable data and images. 12. Magnetic fields. Uranus has an unusual magnetic field that is tilted around 60 degrees from its axis of rotation. This is in contrast to most planets whose magnetic fields are roughly aligned with their rotational axis. 13. Variable wind speeds. Uranus has the strongest winds among all the planets in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 900 kilometers per hour, 560 miles per hour. 14. Extreme pressure and icy. Underneath its gaseous atmosphere, Uranus likely has an icy and rocky core surrounded by an ocean of liquid water and other ices, including ammonia and methane. 15. Mystery of rotation. The exact reason behind Uranus's extreme axial tilt remains a mystery. Some theories suggest it may have been caused by a massive collision with a celestial object in the distant past. 16. Little internal heat. Uranus emits only about 1.1 times more energy than it receives from the Sun, indicating that it generates very little internal heat compared to other gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. 17. Ring composition. The rings of Uranus are dark and made up of mostly water ice, with traces of dust and other materials. 18. Ring discovered during a stellar occultation. Uranus's first ring was discovered in 1977 when astronomers observed a star pass behind the planet and its light was blocked by the ring. 19. Notation and orbits. Uranus rotates on its axis from east to west, opposite to most planets. Its orbit around the Sun takes approximately 84 Earth years. 20. Unmanned missions. As of my last update in September 2021, there have been no specific missions planned to explore Uranus in the near future. Most space agencies are focusing on missions to other destinations like Mars, the Moon, and outer solar system moons. These facts highlight the unique and fascinating characteristics of Uranus, a planet that remains relatively unexplored and mysterious in our solar system.